Hello friends, welcome to Friends and Family Recipe Corner. Let's see how to make chicken broster in two different ways. I've taken 1 kg of chicken here. I'm filling it with ice water. Now to this we are adding 1/2 teaspoon of sugar and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Mix well and we have to refrigerate this for 2 hours. In the meanwhile, let's prepare the flour mixture. For this, we need 3/4 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of corn flour. Now let's add spices to this mixture. First, we need to add 1 spoon of pepper, 1 spoon of chili flakes, 1 spoon of red chili powder, 1 spoon of garlic powder, 1 spoon of ginger powder, 1/4 spoon of baking powder, rosemary 1/2 teaspoon, oregano 1/2 teaspoon, basil 1/2 teaspoon. If you don't have any of these, you can just add some mixed spices into this. 3 more ingredients to go: 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1/2 cup of cooking oats. Combine well and keep it aside. Next thing is we need to fill some water in a bowl for dipping the chicken. I've taken the chicken out of the refrigerator after 2 hours. Spill the excess water. Coat the chicken first in the flour. Then dip it in the water both sides just once. Now again coat the chicken piece in the flour. Coat well. Let's repeat the same procedure for all the chicken pieces. I have taken 4 chicken pieces for the first method and the remaining 3 pieces for the second method. Chicken has to be coated well, then we'll get the crispiness and the layer also. Let it rest for 10 minutes. To a pan, add oil. When the oil is hot, drop the chicken slowly into the oil. The flame should be medium. The chicken has to be cooked on both sides. Flip it and cook on both sides. When it changes golden brown, remove from the oil. Now it's nice golden color and it's also cooked well. Let's remove from the oil. Now for the second method, we are just going to do with the available ingredients. We need maida or all-purpose flour 3 tablespoons, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of cooking oats, 1 tablespoon of breadcrumbs and 1 teaspoon of salt. Combine all this well, and for the spiciness we are adding 1/2 teaspoon of red chili flakes and 1/2 teaspoon of pepper powder. Our flour is ready. The coating is same as we did for the first method. Take a chicken piece, spill the water, coat it in the flour, dip it once in the water and again coat well in the flour and keep it for 10 minutes and then we can fry this. The oil is hot. Now drop the chicken pieces slowly into the oil. Cook on both sides. The chicken pieces are cooked well and turn into golden brown color. Let's remove from the oil. Both the texture will be the same, but we can feel the difference in the taste. It would be the same as we buy from shops. When we make it, it would be more healthier. Do try this recipe and leave your valuable comments in my comment box. Thank you for watching.